After learning to make snacks like this, I stopped ordering takeout. In a pan, add a slice of mozzarella and a slice of bread. Next, let's crack an egg on top. Spread the egg lightly and wait for it to start browning. This is the perfect point. Now let's flip it. After flipping, add more mozzarella, a burger patty, tomato, and mustard. Cheese, please. Mayo. Then place the last slice of bread on top. Let's flip it again to brown the bottom. Once browned, remove it and enjoy. Look how amazing this mixed sandwich with burger patty is. Super quick, easy and delicious. Make it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed it. That's another recipe from Poor Man's Kitchen. Big hugs, see you next time, and thanks.